Hello everyone. So you would like to know how to destroy a title. This is not done very often, but you can do it, and it can be pretty useful for the inheritances of your sons and so on, because you might not want to split the kingdom and so on. So you get only one primary title and everything under him, or it can be useful in certain situations. In order to destroy a title, there are a few prerequisites. One of them is that it cannot be your primary title. For example, in this case, I have this emirate here, and clicking on it, of course, you see the de jure part of it and so on. If I click here, as it says, I cannot destroy it because it's my primary title. But if I had other titles, I don't think I have one in this case, at least not at the same level, I would basically click here and do the same. Click here and destroy the emirate, destroy the title. And that is how you do it. I hope you liked this video, leave a comment below, subscribe, and see you next time.